Hi there! If you're watching this video, it's probably because there's a child in your life who's ready to leave their rear-facing car seat behind, make an about face, and move into a forward-facing car seat secured by a seatbelt. And you probably have questions about how to make that change safely. Well, that's why I'm here. Hi, I'm Ava, and this is the Strong for Life Car Seat Safety Lab. Let's get into it. Forward march! Even if you've dealt with rear-facing car seats using a seatbelt before, you still need to, drum roll, read the manual. Yeah, I know, but there are key differences between rear-facing and forward-facing car seat models, even those that install the same way. Don't assume anything. For instance, all forward-facing car seats have a tether anchor like this. It goes up and over your vehicle's seat, but check your vehicle's manual because some recommend going over the headrest while others favor going underneath it. Any car made after 2003 will have at least 3 of these tether anchors, and you should check your vehicle's manual to find exactly where they are. Clip the tether anchor into place and tighten. Next, thread the seatbelt through the belt path. Lock it and tighten that too. Your car seat and vehicle manuals will have instructions on how to do this correctly. When you're done, the car seat shouldn't move more than 1 inch side to side or front to back on the belt path. That's looking good. If you're using a convertible car seat like this, the belt path might be different if it's positioned as forward-facing versus rear-facing. Now that we've secured a car seat, it's time to learn how to safely buckle a child into one. I'm ready. Are you?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Let's go, come on. Make sure your child's harness straps are in a position at or slightly above their shoulders. Then buckle them in. To make sure the harness is snug, do a pinch test. If you can pinch the harness up at the shoulders or hips like this, then it's too loose. We have to tighten it up. The chest clip should be at armpit level. Perfect. And that's all there is to it. Ride safe and happy, everyone. I'll see you next time.